Every time do you keep looking at the opportunity to build passive income? Then Unitymeta Token brings you the lifetime opportunity. Unitymeta is the best smart contract platform. Unitymeta Token is based on BNB Smart Chain. So are you ready to build your asset? Then just follow 3 steps. First of all, register an account on our website, then choose the suitable package and now start getting rewards. First of all, let's discuss about tokenomics of Unitymeta Token. Total supply is 99,000 UMT. Lock is 81,000 UMT. Burning is 9,000 UMT. Team reserve as 3,000 UMT. Pro players rewards as 3,000 UMT. Bounty rewards as 3,000 UMT. You will be glad to know about the characteristics of Unitymeta Token. It is 100% LP burned, 90% supply locked in DXL locker, 0.1% burning on every transaction. Source code verified, white paper verified, audit report verified. Buy, sell fee is less than 0.1%. Owner, creator contains 0% of liquidity. And we are proud that Unitymeta Token is listed on various exchanges. We are providing 4 types of income: staking rewards, direct referral, level bonus, and leadership bonus. And our package starts from $100 to $10,000. In staking rewards, the registration charges, LP, is $3 and you have to stake for 500 days for 0.40% per day staking. We are providing 50% direct referral. Now let's discuss level income. For level 1, the staking reward is 50% while the condition is 1. For level 2, the staking rewards is 50% to 10% while the condition is direct business $3,000 and 5 direct mandatory within 30 days of ID activation, for 50% level income. For level 3 to 5, the staking reward is 5% while the condition is 3. For level 6 to 10, the staking reward is 3% while the condition is 5. For level 11 to 30, the staking reward is 2% while the condition is 10. For level 31 to 50, the staking reward is 1% while the condition is 15. For leadership bonus, we are providing up to 7-star rewards. In 1-star reward, you will get 2% of global turnover and a laptop worth $25,000. Conditions for this is: self-business requires $500. Direct team is 5. Direct business is $1,000. Total team business is $10,000. Total team size is 20. You need maximum 50% team business count from any strong leg. In 2-star reward, you will get 1.5% of global turnover in a MacBook. Conditions for this is: self-business requires $1,000. Direct team is 7. Direct business is $2,000. Total team business is $30,000. Total team size is 50. You need maximum 50% team business count from any strong leg. In 3-star reward, you will get 1% of global turnover and quid car. Conditions for this is: self-business requires $2,000. Direct team is 10. Direct business is $3,000. Total team business is $100,000. Total team size is 150. You need maximum 50% team business count from any strong leg. In 4-star reward, you will get 0.75% of global turnover and Hyundai credit car. Conditions for this is: self-business requires $3,000. Direct team is 15. Direct business is $5,000. Qualification is 3-star. In 5-star reward, you will get 0.50% of global turnover and Fortuner with Maldives trip. Conditions for this is: self-business requires $4,000. Direct team is 20. Direct business is $7,000. Qualification is 4-star. In 7-star reward you will get 0.25% of global turnover in villa in Dubai with Mercedes. Conditions for this is: self-business requires $5,000. Direct team is $25,000. Direct business is $10,000. Qualification is 5-star. Now let's discuss about terms and conditions. Minimum withdrawal $10. Deduction 5% on every withdrawal. Deposit and withdrawal available in Unitymeta token only. 24x7 withdrawal available. Capping 3x, inclusive all income. Re-top up required after capping. Thank you so much for watching. Join us today at www.unitymeta.io.